welcome to another motovlog. So I don't really have a topic for this video. I just thought it would be nice to go out for a little ride and enjoy the beauty that is virtual reality. Because of course, as many of us know, my motovlogs take place in a very accurate computer simulation of the actual world which we know. But yes, just wanted to show you the beauty that is this place. Very green right now. Was trying to code out the clouds, but couldn't quite debug that before I headed out, so that's what it is. Still be a beautiful ride. It's funny because I'm so used to going out and just recording a video with very specific purpose and topic in mind. But today I just couldn't really think of one. Thought it might be, again, fun to just go out, explore this beautiful simulation, make some beautiful V4 noise, just generally enjoy my evening. Although it's probably going to be morning for you when I post this. Maybe. Depends on where you live in the world when you watch it. So right now, we are on our way to the simulated Pacific Coast Highway, which I understand has somewhat of a reputation for its beauty around the world. Now in reality, I've always lived within about 30 minutes or so of PCH, so I've been very privileged in my regular riding, as well as in simulated riding, to be able to enjoy riding next to the ocean. It's a pretty cool experience. You get to smell the salty air, feel the humidity, especially just going through the canyon right here. So this leads out to PCH. And of course, being that this is an accurate simulation, my simulated self can feel those things as well. It's like right about here, going around this curve that's coming up, that the air just gets a lot cooler, salty. It's really awesome. And there it is. Kind of moves based on the day and the time of year, but pretty incredible experience nonetheless. Aren't those some houses up there? Ooh-wee. The ocean. Would you look at that? What would this simulation be without some traffic through which I can lane split? Favorite parts. Since we're in virtual reality, as well arrive in style. Isn't that something? You can really smell that ocean air now. What a great simulation. Well, since I feel kind of weird not talking at all, I guess I'll just give you guys a quick little update while we enjoy this PCH ride. Talk to you about what is going on in my life. Although, if you subscribe, you probably already know. But in case you don't, and you should, go ahead and click that little subscribe button down below, please, and like the video while you're at it as well. If you're enjoying, of course. But I finally have ordered all of the parts, except for a windscreen, to fix my Daytona 675R race bike and get it ready for testing ahead of California Road Race Association's second round of 2022, which will be at WeatherTech Raceway Laguna Seca, formerly Mazda Raceway Laguna Seca, which I am particularly excited for. Riding Laguna Seca has always been a bucket list item of mine, and I'm going to do like 10 better and get to race it. In case you haven't seen, I had a little mishap at my last race weekend while going out for the sighting lap for my second race. Somebody was crashing in front of me and I crashed trying to avoid them. So if you haven't seen that and want to check it out, as well as me taking my first race win, check out this video in the card up above. But outside of making videos for you lovely people, I'm also focused on fixing the bike and again getting it ready. I'm going to do some testing. Got a track day booked for early May as well as one for the end of May, and I'm looking at another one for June ahead of the Laguna Seca round. So we will see. Should be good. Hopefully the bike works great, but gonna get some new parts and upgrades while it's being repaired. So good and exciting stuff there. Outside of that, things have been going pretty well with the new job. Still going through my onboarding period. It's basically been like going to online school and then attending some webinars and conferences. Online, of course, but pretty nice, fully remote gig. Been enjoying it so far. Very excited to actually get into the seat of the role and start selling stuff. And of course this is good because it will allow me more monies to spend on all of the motorcycling things, and possibly to even update the virtual reality simulator even more. Here's an R8 Spider. The R8 is my second favorite car of all time, only behind the McLaren F1. But the R8 has always been my realistic dream car, I would say. Something that isn't so unattainable, although they have certainly appreciated over the last couple of years, making them less attainable. But another reason why I got my new job. They give me more money for things like that and for motorcycle stuff. But yeah, things are pretty good. Really excited to continue to make progress with my new role. And excited to get back out there on track and go racing again. Still need to do a little something about my fitness level. I need to up that for sure before I go for my next race weekend. Got about 10 weeks to do so. I've just been honestly having a challenge making the time to do it in my day-to-day life. In a lot of cases, at the end of the day, I'm just way too drained. But I'm also not really a morning person, although I would like to be. So if you have any tips for becoming a morning person, let me know down in the comments below. There we go. There's the pier, the ocean. all I've got for you today. So with that, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would sincerely appreciate it if you gave me a gentle little click of the like button and consider subscribing for more motorcycling content and adventures. Really looking forward to getting back on the track soon and getting my Daytona 675R back out there, tested and validated. It'll be a good time. Drop a comment below. Have you ever ridden by the ocean before? Would you like to one day? It's pretty awesome. Let me know. Comments below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll hope to catch you in the next one. Until then,